To begin, we are cutting in quarters 3 pounds of red potatoes. And while we cut the potatoes, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Transfer the potatoes to a baking dish or a baking sheet. Arrange the potatoes so they are in a single layer. Then drizzle a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Season with about 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Six cloves of garlic, minced. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Toss it all in. Now, bake at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes or until the potatoes are soft and tender.
Oh, and one more thing. Do not forget to press that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes.
And after 45 minutes, your garlic roasted potatoes should look like this. Right before serving, garnish with fresh Italian parsley. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, garlic roasted potatoes. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching!